Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 people struggle with bad breath? Yup, that's right. It's a pretty common issue, but that doesn't make it any less embarrassing, right? So today, let's uncover the secrets to freshening your breath once and for all. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving into the topic of halitosis, commonly known as bad breath, and revealing effective hacks to combat it. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Alright, let's get real for a second. Bad breath can be super embarrassing and it can totally affect your confidence. Imagine going in for a chat with someone and feeling like you need to keep your mouth shut. Major bummer. So what causes this dreadful situation? Well, there are a bunch of culprits. It can be poor oral hygiene, certain foods like garlic and onions, dry mouth, and even medical conditions. It's important to understand these factors so we can tackle the problem head-on. Now, let's break it down. When you don't brush and floss regularly, food particles can linger in your mouth, leading to bacteria growth. And those bacteria? They're the real villains here, causing that unpleasant odor. Plus, some foods can leave strong smells that just don't go away easily. And don't forget about dry mouth. If your mouth isn't producing enough saliva, it can't wash away those food particles and bacteria. It's a vicious cycle that can be tough to break. So, what's the game plan to keep your breath fresh? According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.